Welcome to Swiftlane Online Training. My name is Morgan, and I'm going to walk you through PIN code management and user activity on the Swiftlane app. We will start with the app downloaded and logged in. When opening the app, first to pop up is the Doors page. Using the icons on the bottom of the screen, click the bottom right profile icon and then hit Visitor Access. Here you can see your active and inactive PIN codes. To create a new PIN code, click the plus button on the bottom right. You are prompted to choose single-use or multi-use at the very top. We will create a single-use PIN first. A single-use code is to be used for short-lived, temporary access. It expires 5 minutes after first use, and it can be used immediately after creation if activation date and time is not provided. Next, set your access location. Set your code name, for example, pizza delivery. Enter your code description, for example, food order. Select which door to give temporary access to. Lastly, enter the time frame for this code to be active. Hit Create Visitor Code to generate the code number. You will receive an email every time a PIN code is created, but you will also receive an email when a PIN code is used. You can copy the PIN number to your clipboard by clicking on it, or you can go back into the Visitor Access menu and click on the 3 dots in the corner of any PIN for options. You can share, duplicate, edit, or revoke this particular PIN. Click Share and you are shown options on how to send. Now let's create a multi-use code. A multi-use code is to be used for visitor long-term access. It's ideal for family, friends, and people you know well. It can be used immediately after creation if activation date and time are not provided. If deactivation date is not provided, it is active indefinitely. So once multi-use is selected, then set your access location. Set your code name, for example, dog walker. Enter code description, for example, dog walking service. Select which door to give access to. And lastly, enter the time frame for this code to be active if there is one. Example, today for the next 3 months. Hit Create Visitor Code and your new code is generated. You will receive an email confirming this code generation, and again, you will receive an email when this code is used. You can copy the code here, or go back into the Visitor Access menu and click on the 3 dots in the corner for PIN options. This is where you can share, duplicate, edit, or revoke. Click Share, and you are ready to send this code to the recipient however you choose. Once you have shared your codes and access has been granted accordingly, you can monitor the use of a particular PIN code by clicking PIN code details under the assigned PIN. Here you can see all the usage of this particular PIN. To get in-depth visitor activity, click the middle lightning bolt icon on the bottom of the screen. Here you are able to see all intercom calls, missed calls, and PIN usage by switching through the top pages. Within each entry, you are able to see the date, time, and specific door, and for intercom, whether the call was missed or accepted. To do a fine-tuned search, click the icon in the upper right corner and you can filter by day or by doors. And that is how to navigate PIN code management and visitor activity on the Swiftlane app. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other instructional videos for additional support.